Hello, fishing friend. 6 o'clock in the afternoon. We have about an hour before the next thunderstorm is coming in. So let's see if we can catch a few walleye before we get run off the lake yet again today. Alright, well, we got another one on here. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got supper. Whatever this is, it's a strong fish. Probably a pike. Yep, bubbles are coming up. That's probably a pike. Yep, that's what it is. Oh! And he just pulled loose. Oh well, such is fishing. That last quick release is called being fisherman lazy. I had not sharpened my hooks before I started my trolling pattern today, and that just cost me a fish. So right now we'll get these hooks sharpened up and try again. Got a good one on here, I think. Let's see what we got. $24 and a quarter, and back she goes.